Good morning of day one. It's really early here and I'm still jacked up from this daylight savings thing, so it's going to take me like a week, a good week to adjust from that. So it feels like it's 6, but it's 7, but it's daylight a little bit. Sorry if it's not very bright in here. I only have one light. I have 2 lights, but the other one's like orange. So anyway, to start off my day, I have my female hormone herbs that I've made up. So I'm going to take 2 of these with a teaspoon of, get it turned around right way, the wheat germ oil. Take a teaspoon of that with the female hormone. And then at lunchtime, I'm going to take 2 of the female reproductive herbs and another teaspoon of this, and then before I go to bed I'll take 2 more of the female hormone with another teaspoon of this. Well, maybe not like right at bed, but like a couple hours before. Yeah, so that's gonna be my ritual with the female herbs and the reproductive herbs. Also, I'm going to be taking a multivitamin that I've made, excuse me for my half asleep video, but I just have a minute right now before I get ready and leave, so I thought I'd just hurry up and shoot this part. Alright, I will see you guys at breakfast time. I think I'm going to do strawberries and banana. I love strawberries and banana. Yeah. Alright, you guys. See ya. Peace. I'm getting ready to make breakfast. I am at work with my mother. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
So we're going to have smoothie. This is for one. Alright, so we have some frozen strawberries. They're just whole strawberries that I just picked up from the store, frozen. And there's like, what, 5, 6 of them? And frozen bananas. And there's 7 of those. And then I'm going to add in 1 cup of almond milk. And then I'll add in some water. Over here I have my chia seeds, and chia seeds are really great omega-3 fatty acids, and it's rich in antioxidants, and it provides fiber, iron, calcium, and the omega-3 fatty acids raise your HDL, which is your good cholesterol, and it protects against heart disease and stroke. Alright, so we're going to put all this into this blender, my Ninja, and blend it up. Alright, there it is. I know it looks kind of gross just floating around in there. And the chia seeds was 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and I just soaked it in enough water to cover it. You just let it soak for whatever minutes you want to soak it. I guess maybe like 3 minutes. Alright, so we're going to start blending. There we go. And I put a straw in there. It's not the glass straw. I know some people like glass, but I haven't been able to find any. But there we go. So that's breakfast for day 1. Alright, I'll see you all at lunchtime. Alright, so it's lunchtime, day 1, and we are going to have some cantaloupe. I put it in the freezer for about 20 minutes, and I have some yellow squash and zucchini, and then I have a tablespoon of hemp seed hearts. And now we're going to blend. Okay, so what I did is I put my zucchini and squash in there first, then my hemp hearts, and then I fill the rest of it up with the cantaloupe. I have a little bit left over, so I may add some more in there because I want this to be a big healthy drink. And I'm not going to put any water in this because cantaloupe has high water content in it, so I may have to add some water, but I'm not sure yet. So we'll get it blending. See, I added the rest of the cantaloupe because it's not going to be all the way filled. I used half of a cantaloupe and I just cut it up into cubes and put it into the freezer for about 20 minutes. Okay, so it didn't fill it up next time I think I'll add maybe 3 more zucchinis, maybe a couple more squashes, because I really want to get this filled up so I'm not starving throughout the day. But yeah, it tastes really good. It tastes like cantaloupe. You don't taste the squash in it, and it's really creamy, and I like it when it's kind of creamy like that, kind of thick. That's why I stuck it in the freezer for like 20 minutes, and it's nice and cold. This would be great for summertime. I know it's not summertime, but yeah, so there we have it. Lunch is complete. See you guys at dinner. Alright everyone, since I had such a late lunch and it's been 2 hours since I had my smoothie, I am going to actually make a little snack for myself, and it is basically just a couple ingredients. I have 4 of these. They're little cuties, and I have some hibiscus tea with some ice in it because it was boiling hot, so I wanted to cool it down. And would you like to try some of my smoothie, honey?
I don't know. What's in it?
It's got orange, these little oranges. It has 4 of those, and
That's good.
And some of the hibiscus tea that I had you try the other day.
Okay, that's good. Are you trying to copy?
You're like really dark in this video. I don't have enough light.
You're trying to copy someone's.
No, I just.
Yes, you are.
What?
I know you are.
No, I'm not. There we go. Oh, no.
Why is it so juicy running? It's supposed to be like that?
I just put hibiscus tea in it and some ice.
I just taste the orange.
Tastes orangey.
It's not pulp free.
No, it's not pulp free. It's your fiber.
It needs some sweetness to it. But I taste most of the orange.
I'm sweet enough. I don't need.
Yeah, but you're not in here.
Well, thank God for that. Alright, so my husband says not sweet enough, but that's okay because I'm going to drink it anyway. Alright, you guys. I hope you liked this video. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Alright, bye. Alright, so I didn't get to do the video for dinner tonight, but we had broccoli, asparagus, green peppers, nutritional yeast, a little bit of olive oil, some salt, pepper, put it in a bowl with a lid, shook it up, put it in the oven on 350, and it baked for like 15 or so minutes. It was still crispy, it was very good, and yeah. Alright, you guys, that is it for today. Go ahead, like, subscribe, leave comments down below, and I'll see you tomorrow.